Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I did this protective style, and I'm just going to get right into the video because it's long enough. So I'm going to be doing the rubber band method, and please excuse the scraping because your girl is battling some dandruff, okay? To combat the dandruff and make sure my hair is moisturized, I'm going to be using this twisting butter from Simply Natural, some old-fashioned Blue Magic, hair growth oil, and curl defining gel, both from Simply Natural. This is the hair that I use, and I got 2 packs of it. And of course, you're going to need a pack of rubber bands. So I really like this twisting butter, and even though I'm not twisting my hair, I love how moisturizing it is, so I use it for multiple purposes. Just getting all of the products in there and applying some growth oil to my scalp to make sure that it's nicely moisturized. Now this gel gives a soft hold, which is what I wanted. It's moisturizing and it doesn't flake up, but you can use whatever products you choose. Here's how all of my parting came out. And this is pretty much the amount of hair that I use for each braid. You want to make sure that one of the sections is smaller so that when you crisscross them, you can combine it and it will be as thick as the other sections. Now it's really hard to explain and put into exact words what I'm doing, so I really hope that this video is clear enough for you to get it and get the hang of it. But don't worry, I will be showing you this again because I do realize that, it's not focusing, so I will be showing you it again. So I pretty much only braid down until I can't see my hair anymore to make sure that the ends of my hair is fully protected, and then I secure it with a rubber band. So I'm just going to show you that again. Like I said, hopefully it's really clear for you to understand, and I'm going to stop talking right now.
At the ceiling like a restless child, 'cause you're running around telling all these lies. You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you needed space, bet you're out right now, drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around. Oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends.
Now it's time to curl the hair, and these are the 3 types of curlers that I used. And you want to make sure that you twist the hair tightly as you wrap it. And I'm going to show you that again. I boiled some hot water to dip it in, and please, please, please be careful when you're doing this part. Make sure that you have your towel ready and handy to catch your hair so none of the water drops on you. You want to make sure that after you dip it, you allow it to cool down and dry. I was pretty impatient and I didn't let it dry all the way. So as you can see, my curls were still pretty damp and it was not as tight. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join in on the family. Click the bell button to be notified whenever I post more videos. And if you love this hairstyle or you tried it, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram and tag me in your photos so I can see it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Later.
Here we go again.